Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mercy Uso. If you're new, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also hit the bell notification so you don't miss when I upload a new video. So in today's video guys, I will be unboxing my new Sephora favorites Deluxe perfume sampler. So this set guys is my all-time favorite to purchase from Sephora, and let me show it to you. And this box is my absolute favorite guys. The reason why is because they did not include the regular the regular size of sampler, but they give you the mini size of each of the perfume bottle. The set is so cute. Let me show you. So yeah, I don't know if you can see it. And the way it works is when you open up the box, you will find a mini booklet that has all the information about the perfume, and also a Sephora perfume certificate that you have to bring at any Sephora store in the US to redeem a full size of bottle of perfume at no additional cost. This is the booklet with the information about the perfumes. They also give you a mini mascara, and they gave you 5 mini perfumes. I think it's 7, not 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have 7. You see it? Yes. So now guys, I'm going to go to each of them to choose my favorite. Okay guys, so let's start with the first sampler. I don't know if you can see the name. Is Atelier Pure, and the pure perfume, and the size is 1 fluid ounce. The star ingredients are lemon from the Indian Ocean, jasmine from India, and vanilla from Madagascar. Okay, so let's smell it. I think I have something to try it on because I don't want to try it on my skin. Just 1 minute guys. Okay guys, when I went to Sephora, I grabbed a few of these so I'll be able to smell all the perfumes. Okay, so I'm still trying the first one. Let's see. Wow. Oh my god. Is that unisex? I don't know if it's unisex, but wow, my husband can wear it. I love the smell guys. Smells so fresh. It's perfect for the spring and the summer. Oh my goodness, this perfume is everything. Yeah, I think I'm gonna buy one for my husband. Yeah, I love the smell. Smells so fresh, clean. A flower and oh wow, oh wow, I really love it. So the first one, let me show you guys the name because I cannot pronounce this name. I don't know if you can see it. Atelier Pure. So the first one, oh wow, I love it. Okay, so let's try the next one. Next one will be this one. I don't want to break my nails. It's hard to take them off the packaging. Okay, this one is Clean Reserve. Let me show it to you guys. Clean Reserve. So let me read this. So it's an eau de parfum, and the size is 3.4 fluid ounces. Oh my god, so they gave you a big bottle, and it has fresh citrus and fruits. Let's try it. Oh, this one I don't have to spray it. It's a water bottle, I would say. Oh my god, this smells like fresh this smells like laundry. You know, when you do laundry, after you wash your clothes, there's the smell. Oh my God, guys. You can just buy this one, the Clean Reserve. After when you do your bed, you can just spray it on top of your bed. Not the pillow though, so I don't want you to break out. So the sheet, you can spray this on the sheet. It smells so fresh. Oh my goodness. Wow. Yeah. I will not wear this because I don't like the smell, you know, to wear on my clothes or on my skin. But I will definitely spray this on my bed. Oh wow, I can smell the detergent and everything in this perfume. Yeah, so yes. Clean Reserve is for laundry clothes. The next one, let me see which one is next. Okay. Versace. Oh my gosh. Versace. Okay, let me just remove this. Oh, guys, look at the packaging in this. It is so cute. Look at this. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. Okay, let me read the notes. It's fruity floral. And it's an eau de toilette, not eau de parfum. It's an eau de toilette. And the size is 1.7 fluid ounces. Wow. Let's try it. It's hard to, oh my God, look at this, guys. It's like that, so I have to try this on my skin. Let me try it here. Oh my God, yeah, this one is definitely spring, summer. Oh wow. I love it. Oh shoot. Sorry guys. I love the smell. It smells so fresh, and you can smell the flower, the fruits, and everything in it. Yeah, I don't know. I think this one is my favorite. So let's see. Let me try. I still have 4 more to go. So let's see. So the next one will be the My Way. Not bad, this one. Let's try this one. My Way. You guys can see it. Let me show you. And My Way is an eau de parfum, and the size is 1 fluid ounce. So let me see. It's a classic flow. Okay, so let's smell it. Let's see. Guys, oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna put this on my hands here. Oh, I can smell it. Oh my goodness. Yes. Oh yes. Okay, you can wear this perfume during the day, at night. Oh wow. Definitely, yeah, when you're going out, when you're going to the club, you're going to church, you're going out with your friends and your husband, your partner. Oh Lord, yeah. My Way by Giorgio Armani is the one, honey. It smells so good. Ooh, Jesus, I love it. So I think this one is my favorite, guys. Not the after this one is the first one. The second one is the Versace. Okay, so next one will be Chloe. I said Chloe, but it's Chloe, okay? Chloe is in French. Yes, a Chloe. I don't know if it's eau de parfum or eau de toilette. Let me check that. Okay. Eau de parfum. So it's Chloe eau de parfum. The size is 1 fluid ounce. me smell it. I hope I like it. Okay, so put it here. Definitely get this paper to put it. Okay. The packaging is nice. Yeah. This one is definitely spring and summer. It's very light. It's not overpowering. I love the smell. Yeah, it smells so good. Yeah, it's something that I will buy, but my favorite is the My Way and Versace for now. Okay, Chloe. But it smells good, okay? It smells so good. I think I have 2 more to go. Yeah, 2 more. So the next one is Toca Florence. Toca Florence. Let's see. Oh my God, guys, give me 1 second. This one is very hard. Okay, I think I'm gonna try to put it out. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, got it. Sorry, guys. Okay, I'm back. I was trying to take this one out. Yeah. So this is the packaging. Toca Florence, and it's an eau de parfum, and the size is 1.7 fluid ounces. So let me try it. Oh, I can smell coffee, like a cigar, something, and alcohol. Oh man, let me read the notes in this. What did I do? I'm trying to break this now. It's a classic floral, and the ingredients in this is Italian bergamot. Maybe it's the bergamot in this that I smell. Ivory, and also, yeah, as a romantic and chic as old world Paris. Oh, maybe it's the bergamot in this. Oh wow. This one is definitely a unisex perfume because my husband can wear this. Definitely. The Toca Florence. Oh, hopefully I'm pronouncing this names the proper way, because girl, I'm all over the place. So the last one is Indigo eau de parfum, and the size is 1.7 fluid ounces. This one is a cool spice. Okay, this one has orange bergamot, and it has tea, and it has also lemon. Okay, I don't know if a perfume has lemon in it. I normally don't like it, so let's try this one. And this name is Nest by New York. I don't know. But it's not bad. Let's see. But this is not for me though. Let's see. Let's see. This is not for me. It's not bad, but it's not for me. Definitely. I told you guys, the lemon in it. Yeah, so I think that's all. 7 perfumes, so I have all of them here. Should I show you the mascara, guys? Let me see if I can show you the mascara. Hold on. Bear with me, okay? This thing is so hard. Oh my gosh. Okay, got it now. Oh, there we go. Oh, not bad. Not bad. I'll try it. So now guys, I'm going to show you my favorite. 1 second. So guys, yes, I chose this one, the Versace Dylan, I think the name. Yes, because the first thing, I love the packaging and the smell. It smells like spring, summer. So if you're going on vacation, this is the perfect perfume to take with you during the summer. It's definitely this one. Hopefully we can go on vacation. We don't know yet. If I'm going on vacation, I will definitely take this one with me. And of course, since it was Mother's Day, my sister went and got me this one. So this one was on sale. When you purchase this bottle, they give you a free size, mini size, you know, the travel size for free. So I have the big size, the big bottle, and I also have the mini, the travel size. And you know, my way is definitely smells so good, so refreshing. I can wear this one. I just can't wait. Yes, I think that's all for the video, guys. If you like it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also share the video with your friends and family. So I will see you in the next video. Bye now.